All right, Chapo, get in there.
You got an ID on you, man?
For what?
Just asking. I just typically ask.
You must be joking. Ask me for ID. What's your badge name? What's your name and badge number?
No.
Okay, so what are you asking me for my name now?
Well, if you're going to be trespassed, we'd need your ID.
No, that doesn't work that way. Trespass is you warn me when I come back. Bro, don't let me attach my name to your pension and remove your qualified immunity. You picked the wrong guy to with.
You made that very clear.
I know your job better than you.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to see some cops that push it too far, but this time they picked on the wrong one. Trust me, you're going to love how this man speaks to these cops. It's absolutely epic. Now, unfortunately, the situation escalates and he does end up getting arrested. Not because he did anything wrong or broke any type of laws, but these officers simply couldn't handle being challenged. Their egos took a serious hit. Now, this is a double feature video that I put together. It's two interactions from this man's channel. The second one is when he gets arrested. Now, I'm not gonna lie, but I really like this man's channel name, High on Photography. I'll make sure to drop his link down below in the description. Show him support and subscribe. Let him know Jay Cyril sent you. Let's get to this.
Private.
Okay.
Not over here, over there.
You don't think this is a separate
No.
parking lot?
They've never said anything. I've been here for 4 years.
They did today.
Did they? Okay, I can leave
I didn't
today.
put myself here.
Okay.
They called and they thought it was
What's your
weird
name
that
and
you were-
badge number?
Officer Stankovic, 109.
What's your name and badge number?
Officer 148.
What's your badge number?
I just said 148.
Okay.
No.
All
I
right.
just got a call of this van saying now, it's a school right up here.
Yeah, I live right there.
Okay.
I've been coming here for 4 years, so if they're over there, I can leave. If they trespass me, you have to warn me, so I can leave. Okay. Yeah. All right, Chapo, get in there.
You got an ID on you, man?
For what?
Just asking. I just typically ask.
You must be joking. Ask me for ID. What's your badge name? What's your name and badge number?
Officer Rebecca, 134.
Okay. Don't run my tag, man. There's no reason for you to run my tag because I didn't break the law.
Be parked here.
Doesn't matter. I didn't break the law.
Okay.
Just trespass me. Next time, don't run my fucking tag.
Well, it's open to this view to the public, so we can run it if we want.
No,
to.
you don't.
Yeah,
No, not without a cause.
Yeah. No.
Okay, so what are you asking me for my name now?
Well, if you're going to be trespassed, we'd need your ID.
No, that doesn't work that way. Trespass is you warn me when I come back. Bro, don't let me attach my name to your pension and remove your qualified immunity. No, that's how it works. I know the law. You're not getting my badge, so what are you going to do? You're not going to get my name. What are you going to do? You're going to arrest me? Go ahead. We can go to court.
We're not even at that point yet.
Okay, there is no point. You warn me, I leave. I go back home.
Yeah, if you're going to be advised on trespassing, you're going to receive a trespassing warning citation.
Yeah, you can give me that without my name.
No, I cannot.
Then it doesn't work that way.
At that point,
You got the wrong. You got the wrong guy, bro.
You have the wrong guy. Trust us.
Okay.
So you don't want to.
You don't ask my name for anything.
It'll be hindering. Warrant.
That doesn't matter. That doesn't hinder it.
Perfect.
Thank you. Bye. Shame. So I'm out. So I can stay, right? You fucking liars. You're lying, you piece of shit. Next time, obey the law, you fucking idiot.
You should probably think about doing
You should go fuck yourself.
Thank you.
Fuck you. Fuck you too. And fuck you. Next time, try to violate my rights, assholes. Don't let me write a complaint on your ass. And don't solicit a trespass. Oh, this is retaliation for cussing you guys out for parking in the wrong area the other day, huh? That's what I thought. There we go. You picked the wrong guy to fuck with. I'm a constitutionalist, just so you know.
You made that very clear.
I know your job better than you.
I clearly do not.
Okay, name the first 5 elements of the First Amendment. I will leave right now. You don't know. That's what I thought. You took an oath, and you don't know what the you took an oath to. You're an idiot. This is going on YouTube with my other videos. This will be on YouTube with my other videos you can follow. Piece of shit.
Now, I do gotta say that we do need more people to stand up to cops just like this man does. Now, these ego-driven cops couldn't help themselves and they just can't handle the pressure. Now, this interaction took place a couple of weeks after. Now, let's take a look.
You've been trespassed from here before?
Not from here, my friend. You guys talked about over there. This is a graphic center. If you want to go ahead and solicit a trespass, let's do this so I can take you guys to court.
So
but I know my rights. That's a graphic center.
That's a graphic center?
Look at it. That's not a school. Are you guys tired? Come on. What's your name and badge number?
Sturza 53, man. Cool.
Oh, you're going to go solicit a trespass? I'm taking you to court. That's not a school.
Man, please don't yell. There's no reason.
That's not a school.
My man, don't yell.
I don't give a shit. I have the right to yell.
What,
I don't like being
what's got you so upset
harassed
today, man?
because you assholes are harassing me for no reason.
Huh? Why am I an asshole? What have I done?
You're
to
coming
you?
here. I don't want to talk to you. I have nothing to say to you.
Oh, all right, man.
All right. And he's going to solicit a trespass. Go ahead. I'm going to put that on court. They didn't call you. That's a company.
What's your dog's name?
None of your business.
That's a nice name.
Doesn't,
I should name my cat that.
You should name your cat Police Tyrant, too.
All right.
Troops in blue cities to allegedly fix crime and somehow give it a positive spin that would keep the Fox base fired up on MAGA Kool-Aid. But Mike Nellis,
don't you have anything else to do, man? Like
Yeah, we
beat up black people,
we really
or kill
do.
somebody,
we
or
have
shoot
a lot of
somebody's
other
dog?
stuff to do.
Don't you really have anything to do?
Yeah, we do. That's what I'm saying. We have a lot of other stuff I'd
Oh
like to
my
be doing.
God, you guys have nothing else to do. Okay, well the last video got 8,000. Let's get this one to go up.
with the Democratic woman,
All righty, my man.
dog. Or maybe it was when his own mom chastised his sorry little ass on national television and uninvited him to the Thanksgiving
It says graphic center. It has nothing to do with that school.
Deer in the headlights. You get the picture, folks. Yeah.
No, look at those students. They're like in their 30s, 40s, and 50s.
Well, I mean, you are in a parking lot that shares a parking lot with that school.
That has nothing to do with them. No, you could, blah, blah, blah. You could, but we go to court about that. Okay, then we can decide. It's a shared parking lot. You're going to, over there, too, is Kroger's. Shared all the way.
I'm not sure if that's true.
Yeah,
I'll have to look at that.
Good.
I mean, that's clearly
Look at that car
separated
over
by-
there. Why don't you go violate them? Here, go.
Sir.
Look at this car over there. No, I have the right to be free.
I know you do. I'm not.
So what are you asking me to do what? No.
I don't know if you're going to
Go over there. Go over there. Talk to that car. See, I'm putting that all in court.
All right,
Your Honor, you see this? They're coming at me again for no reason. I didn't go there. I obeyed the rules. Look at that car over there. Look at that man walking. You should be trespassed. See that? Look at that man walking. Look at that car over there, Your Honor. But no, it's over here. These are the cops. They're protecting. That's what they train you guys for. Holy shit. And just so you know, the 5 elements of the First Amendment is raps. Just remember raps. It'll help you. Religion, assembly, petition, speech, and what else? Press.
I was going to say petition. I think that's press.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
petition is not press. Petition your government is not press.
Oh, I got what you mean. Okay.
Thank you.
I've never heard a phrase like that.
Yeah, well, you probably never heard of RAS, reasonable articulable suspicion.
Come on, man. I'm a
Come
police
on,
officer.
no, police officers get a C grade. You guys don't know shit about the First Amendment. Let's be honest. You get a C grade, you go to your little academy, you learn to take defense more than books. You don't know shit about the books.
You learned to take the what more than books?
Defense.
Oh, defense.
Defending
I got you.
yourself.
Oh, okay.
You know. Let's see what your buddy says. Solicited a trespass. Go ahead, talk to each other.
Okay. You're going to be under arrest for
For what?
trespassing. For
My man.
trespassing.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Put
Wait a
your hands
minute,
on
wait a
your
minute. I have a dog. I gotta put my dog out. My dad is right here, man.
Okay. That's cool.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Let me call my dad and get him to get my dog. My dog is sick, man. He's taking pills and everything. What? They didn't trespass me, man. Don't go away, man. They didn't trespass me. I
the national average of murders. But when you're a Republican governor like Tate Reeves, who sent Mississippi National Guard troops to Washington, D.C. under Donald Trump's law and order stunt, you get a free pass.
My apologies, people, but I don't have any information where this took place or what police department this is. Well, I'm going to leave it to you guys and let me know what you think about this one in the comment section. Once again, this man's channel link will be pinned down below. Let him know Jay Surreal sent you. To the next one.